Okay, today is February the 17th, and look at the snow. We're having a snowstorm, actually blizzard. This is our porch, and you could see the height of the snow. I think we have about 2 feet of snow. And those are my boys plowing the snow, including Grandpa. That's Grandpa. Yeah, I think we have about 2 feet of snow. See, look at that. That's Grandpa's car buried in the snow. Hi, Bran. Hi. See the temperature outside? It's 26 degrees Fahrenheit. See, it's still snowing. It hasn't tapered off. I think it's gonna taper off sometime late tonight. It's not that bad right now. Ooh, look at my backyard, see? It's all white except you see the pine trees. And look at the swing set. The legs are buried. Everything's all white. And this is great to see at night. Everything is white. No classes today, and of course I'm not scheduled to go to work because it's Monday. Hopefully this is the last snow this winter. I think everybody's tired of it. Oh boy, look at our neighbors. They've been plowing their snow, I guess, for about 2 or 3 hours now. And that's Les, my neighbor. And that's Fred. My gosh, I hope he's all right. He's about, I think he's more than 70 years old. See, this is the court. It's all buried with snow. Of course, at this time, they're not going to plow this development because the main roads are the priorities. Oh, look at this. Can't even see my... See, that's Brent's footsteps. That's Grandpa. I think the last blizzard we had was in 1996 when Nolly was still here. I think that's a little worse than this one. I think we had about 3 feet of snow at that time. I think despite this, I think the kids have a blast. I mean, we rarely have this one, but this winter has been a very, very wintry season. Last winter it was a very mild one, so we're getting exactly the opposite of what we had last time. See, I don't mind having snow like this as long as I'm at home. To drive, forget it. I'd rather stay home because it's scary to drive, even if I have the Pathfinder. See, that's Al. He's been doing that. He's been plowing the snow since what? Because right now it's almost, I think, 2 o'clock. He's been doing that for about 2 hours now. Well, luckily it's holiday today. It's President's Day. And at least all kids get to stay home. That's Calvin. No, that's Michael. That's Calvin in white hood. You don't see the van parked there in the driveway because after we saw a movie yesterday, to my surprise, I saw the ground already buried with 2 inches of snow. It was getting bad, so I just asked my in-laws to drop me and Calvin off here at home, and they could just drive my van because I was afraid to drive. Oh, look at that. Look at the snow blower. It's a little help, I guess a big help. Believe it or not, when you plow the snow, you could get sweaty despite the cold temperature. And of course, for people like Dad, it's not really good for him, but well, he always insists on doing something, so that's why he's out there. Well, the snow blower is really a big help, or it has been a big help to us. Oh well. I guess they can't hear me. Well, the governor of New Jersey has declared a state of emergency for New Jersey. This is amazing how nature can give you a lot of snow. Oh, look at this. This is my deck. See the height of the snow? That's about 2 feet. And it's unevenly, I guess, covered with snow. The deck is unevenly covered with snow because I guess of the wind. See, the wind was probably, or it was certainly on this direction towards the door here. See, that part there is empty. I mean, it's nothing covered. See, if you don't plow this one, it could turn to ice if the temperature drops overnight. And by then it's going to be hard to plow it when it turns to snow. Hey, kaya pa now. Oh my, look at that. Brent could get buried in that snow. Tomorrow's gonna be a busier day. Hey Bran, you wanna bake cookies now? Bran, wanna bake cookies now? I'm gonna bake cookies now while you plow. I'm gonna bake cookies now.
I'll be there after I do this, okay?
I'm gonna start now.
Okay.
You
Then
could-
I'll help you after.
Yeah, you don't have to help me.
We're gonna go sledding. We're gonna go sledding from the stairs. And then all the way to the middle.
Just do it in the back. Michael, do you have enough, aren't you cool with that one?
I have like 4 layers.
Yeah, but the 4 layers is not even equivalent to one jacket, my dear.
Mom, I have 2 sweaters.
Okay, as long as you're not
I'm
cold.
not cold.
It stopped snowing, right? No, that's just the wind.
Mom, that's not snowing.
The one you see is because everybody's plowing the snow. It's not as much as...
They said it's still snowing 1 to 2 inches per hour.
Oh boy, look at that.
May kuha na lang mo. Saan yung stop kanini eh?
Ning,